Why does your scanner show the P0045 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0045 engine error code stands for Turbocharger, or the Supercharger Boost Control A circuit is open. This code signifies that the ECM is not receiving the proper signal from the boost control solenoid, which is responsible for regulating the amount of boost pressure generated by the turbocharger or supercharger. If you receive this error, cease driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty boost control solenoid. Wiring issues. Turbocharger problems. Boost pressure sensor fault. ECU or software issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This generic powertrain engine diagnostic trouble code typically applies to Isuzu, Nissan, Honda, Volkswagen, and Hino vehicles. The definition of code P0045 may be different depending on the vehicle manufacturer. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.